you how to make some very easy paper bags. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Okay, these are the paper bags that me and my sister has made, and we have used newspapers, chart papers, normal A4 sheet and gift papers, and after making the paper we decorated it. So now let's get into the video and I'll show you how to make that paper bag. Hope you also. So if you liked it, please try making it at home, and you can even use this as gift bags. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And life is beautiful.